Dad. I'm sitting with Dad. Mom's so scared. She goes to the lady. How scary is it? She actually goes. Mom's so scared. She goes to the lady. How scary is it? I love you, Mom. Sorry, I can't right now. Oh, that's not that far. I don't want to go wet. Oh wow. I don't want to go wet.
A vast ocean is home to an explosion of life.
I don't want to get wet. Wow.
Sat the Mosasaurus.
Mosasaurus.
Of the deep.
You are clear for entry.
Ooh, la la. If I get wet, I'm gonna yell. Is this so slow? Oh my gosh.
Dinosaurs roam. Keep an eye out for the Parasaurolophus, who likes to splash around in the water. Our new baby Stegosaurus, one of the latest additions to our Jurassic World family.
Put your legs back on again.
No.
What the fuck?
That was like, what was that for?
You
Can
guys
you
should have left the
explain?
leggings on.
Ah!
Leggings on and they're got to change now.
No, I know.
Yeah.
I know.
In a moment,
So now you're going to...
home to some of Jurassic World.
Did you guys not know we're going to get wet here?
No, no. I totally didn't. Look at my legs. My hairy legs. Get away from me, David!
Hold all boats in safe zone.
Whoa, look.
Oh, whoa. Why would they spray us?
You guys want your jumpers?
No.
Dry them?
That was actually kind of refreshing though.
We'll dry now. We'll go in the sun and we'll dry up.
Yeah, I was getting changed.
This is Claire dear. Please. We have assets out of containment and help is on the way. In the meantime, please.
Are we going to get dressed here now? Are we getting dressed here now?
I don't want to get off! Get me off! Let me off, stop. They're actually going to get you off. I don't want to
Please remain calm.
Listen to me. Please turn off the light.
So guys, I actually started crying on it because my mum, at the end of it, she was taking my head down so hard. And it was so bad, I started crying.
You put your head down, I'm like,
I know, and then my head was down. I tried to put my head up and then she
I kept it down because there was a massive dinosaur at the top.
oh my god. Harry Potter world. And now I'm drenched.
Let's go in the rock, in the sun.
Dad. I know. Look at her. Did you see me? Look how Mum's holding my head.
Put her head down.
Yeah, you actually put your head down. I saw you were like this. I did this. I was trying to get up, and then she had my head still down. She kept yanking it back down.
Em, you hold that now.
The thing is, don't look. I got scared for a minute.
Right in my bag here.
Guys, that was scary.
Go back to bed as well. It's worth mine.
Yeah, hold that.
I want to do it again.